Good morning, guys, and welcome to Saturday. I'm currently sat in my bed still because I just woke up a little while ago. I actually slept in for once, like till like 9:30, which like normally lately if I sleep in, it's like after I've woken up like multiple times at like 7 something and 8 something, and then finally I just made myself sleep until like around 9:30 or whatever. But like I actually fully slept until 9:30, which is great. But yeah, I'm not doing a whole lot right now. I'm watching the kitten play with Luna, and I'm probably gonna get up shortly and maybe make something to eat.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to Saturday. Clearly I am in a different location because, as you know, I am in Texas. My mom is in the shower. I'm just chilling, getting ready for the day. Today is the day that I see Hamilton, so there might not be a lot of vlogging for me, but I will do my best.
Hey guys, this is take 2 because the first take was really dark and I couldn't fix it when I was filming, but I just wanted to update you on what I'm doing, which is a whole lot of nothing. I've been sitting in my apartment since I woke up. I'm currently watching the Czech Republic versus Canada on my computer. Apparently it doesn't want to focus on that. Anyways, you get the point. That's my day so far. I could get dressed and go to Walmart. I almost said go to Canada. I could get dressed and go to Canada, but that might take a while. I just have something I need to exchange. I just don't really feel like it, but I mean, at least it would give me something to do, so maybe I'll go and do that.
Hey guys, also, elephant in the room. Yes, I chopped off all my hair. I'm dressed for Hamilton. I'm wearing a dress, and these shoes. The strap is in the way of those shoes. So yeah, I think any vlogging I do from here on out will be on my phone. I just need to finish my makeup, but yeah.
What are you doing? Continue. Don't mind me. I just left Walmart. As you can see behind me, I returned my lid, which actually, oh wait, I didn't tell you what I was returning. I needed to exchange that lid because I bought a tote and I got home and I realized the lid was cracked. Anyways, I didn't realize that apparently you're supposed to bring the whole thing. Like, she wanted the bottom, like the actual tote as well, even though on the shelf they're like separate. So I just thought, oh, I'll just bring the lid, get a new lid. And she was like, well, I need the old, like the actual whole tote so I can send the whole thing back. And anyways, in the end she let me just like exchange the lid, but anyways. So I think I'm gonna go to the mall now because I want to find a cute like bathing suit cover up. I thought I could find one at Walmart like for cheap and just like inexpensive, but they didn't have any. Like, I didn't see any at all. So I think I'm gonna head to the mall real quick and maybe check like Forever 21 and see if I can find an inexpensive cute cover up for this weekend and then also for future stuff as well. So I'm leaving the mall now. I didn't get anything that I came for, which I guess is a good thing because I didn't spend any money, but I got an icy and a cookie, so I'm happy. I'm gonna go home because my phone's about to die.
Hey guys, so I'm home. I've been home for like 3 hours. Hamilton was long. It was amazing. Like, honestly lived up to expectations, everything like that. but now I'm home and we just laid around, didn't do much, so I'm gonna go call it a night for Saturday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to Sunday. It's morning time. I've just been sitting here in my bed, just watching YouTube and stuff before I get up. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get up because I have nothing to do today. Everybody's kind of just chilling in bed. Luna's here. Griffin's here. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's the morning so far.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to Sunday. I am getting ready to go to church with my mom and then breakfast with my brother and then, lunch with my brother, not breakfast. And then I think Julie and I will probably meet up. So, yeah, that's the plan for today.
It's a little later in the day now, not too much later, but I've gotten out of bed and I've gotten dressed, and I decided I'm gonna take my bike out for a little bit and get some exercise. I'm dressed for the occasion in my bike shorts, and yeah, I'm gonna go do the same little trail that I did last time, so I probably won't film really unless I come across something interesting or whatever. I do have my watch on though, so this time I'll be able to track how far I go and stuff, and then I can let you guys know at the end how long. I don't know if I'll go as far this time or if I'll go further. I guess we'll see what happens. I just found a teddy bear, it's a Hatchimals panda thing. I think I'll take it up to the main part and set it on something, because I bet you a little kid dropped this who was riding with their parent or something. Anyways,
I am back from church and lunch, and Julie and I are getting ready to go mini golfing, so that'll be fun. I just put on some shorts because it's hot outside. I've been watching Hockey World Championships, the gold medal game, which is Canada and Finland, so yeah. That's been my day. Not very exciting, but I'm on vacation and just chilling. So, Canada lost Worlds. Well, they didn't lose, they got silver, but they lost the game that they were playing in. And Finland won, and now we're going mini golfing. Yay. So, we were gonna go mini golfing, and then we drove by the mini golf place and saw how many people were mini golfing. And we are now going bowling. Also, that's inside. And I'm glad I wore shoes with socks, because I almost did not. So, yeah. We are bowling. It's very loud in here.
we're here!
We're here! We just scream it and everybody starts staring at us.
Really loud, so
Yeah.
you can't hear any music. What music?
What music? I don't know.
Also, we're really orange.
Yeah, I'll fix that later.
lead. That's how it's going.
I just got a strike. It only took like 3 games, but you know.
We're done with the third game. The score was 89 to 61. And then the second game, what was your score?
65.
And mine was 133.
I think so.
I don't remember the score for the first one, but I think that was probably
But you filmed that one.
my best one. Yeah, I did. And now we're gonna leave.
133 was your best.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's probably my best, like, in general. Like,
I don't think it is. I definitely think you've had higher score.
maybe.
JK, we found our scores from all 3 games.
I suck at this game, by the way.
There you go. There you go. Go for the red ones. That was pretty good.
That was actually much better than mine.
So we stopped at my mom's house for dinner, and now we're going to kill time at Target because that's what we do best. Right, Julie?
Yep.
Yep. What you doing?
Taking a nap.
Okay,
It's comfy.
that's cool. I have nowhere to take a nap. Maybe in that chair.
It's big enough you could join me.
That's true, I could. We were much more successful at killing time in Target this time.
We were in there for like an hour and a half.
Granted, we spent like 10 or 15 minutes smelling all of the candles. And then like 5 more minutes smelling all of the body washes. And we didn't buy any of those things.
And we basically looked at everything, even the things we
Don't have.
shouldn't look at.
We looked at all the makeup. We looked at like the outdoor furniture, even though neither of us have a place for outdoor furniture. We looked at pool floaties.
You name
Yeah.
it, we looked at it.
Yep, if it existed in Target, we were looking at it. And now Julie wants dessert. So, we'll see where that takes us.
Hi, can I get 2 hot fudge sundaes?
Anything else?
One of the ice cream cookie sandwiches, the chocolate chip.
Sorry, ma'am, we don't have any of those right now.
Okay, then that's it.
I guess it's just the 2 hot fudge sundaes.
Yes,
It's gonna be $5.39.
thank you. That's
Disappointing.
that issue.
That was disappointing. We had to pause our Just Dancing because the checkers are. We screamed because the checkers are going to the Calder Cup Finals. I almost said Stanley Cup Finals.
That would be something.
That would be
152
something.
in overtime.
It was double overtime.
Charlotte books their trip for the first time in franchise history. They're going to the
Who
finals.
scored?
Whoever that was.
Incredible.
Whoever that was.
There will be a new champion
It's just like wing off
in the American Hockey League.
This is boring footage.
Yeah. We're both out of breath and probably like red and sweaty because we just finished doing Just Dance. Like, how many songs? 5 or 6 songs?
6. I think it was 6.
So we're tired, but we got our workout in.
Yeah.
And now I have to take her home. So
But you'll see us tomorrow.
it's time to go to bed. We'll probably put it in a different thing.
Oh,
We
yeah.
have a lot of footage.
Yeah.
So,
You'll
For-
see, we'll have another fun vlog from tomorrow.
yes. So for now, this is the end of this vlog. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you've played Just Dance before. If not, what is one of your favorite games to play?
And if you've played Just Dance before, what's your favorite song to dance to?
Yes. And yeah, we'll see you next time.
Good night, guys.